What's up everybody, Thomas Anderson, DCAV, and today, well I say today, tomorrow I have another Bando bash, but it also takes preparation. So you can see the chaos now. This is my workbench after builds. So I built the ultralight EOS 5-inch. It's super lightweight, got the O3 system on it. It's very nice, tight packed, 1408 motors, so it's gonna give a punch, 4S, but I'm gonna go lightweight. But I got, of course, the candy canes on it. I'm really looking forward to flying this. This is really gonna be my Bando diver. It's gonna be lightweight, just throw it on my back as a replacement of the Nazgul and in honor of Mark, because he's flying his EOS 7. I'm flying the EOS 5. And also that means preparation. So first I have to clean. After cleaning, I obviously have to get all the charges going and get all the batteries charged from all the cameras and all the drones and whatever not. Then I have to pack the drones. Of course I also did the groceries, so now wait up for the guys. Well, first I'm gonna sleep, then wait up for the guys, and then we're gonna go decide where we're gonna go. So see you tomorrow morning. Good morning. So at the crack on dawn, the sun is coming up barely, waiting for the boys to arrive, and then we're gonna go to Bando Lands. I slept like 3 hours, so I'm good to go. So, we are at the tower location in Charleroi. It's fucking nice. We're gonna do some tower dives. What towers you gonna ask? Okay, well we have the first tower here. It's a super large one. And then here we have a water tower. So it's gonna be tower diving for this location. Let's see how long we can stay here, because other people got kicked out. We're gonna see, we're gonna push our luck and see if we can make it. My first trippy spin. I've never done it. I tried it once in the simulator, so I got the mechanics down, but I could never translate it in real life. Now I did it in real life and it wasn't actually so hard, so I'm gonna do it a few more times, and in the future I'll perfect it. Coming for you, coño loco. You know who I mean.
Dripping on back from the Lexation. Never tell a fact that I never stay running. Sipping on facts, damn, know I got stacks in the lab. Taking bitches straight for another cat. Make shit while I never had shit. Bitch, move, make your motherfucking head split. Hospitalized, never really gon' play shit. Tell me never really gon' chase it. Trees to the blade, no flake. Ass to the way, niggas know I ain't play. Fast to the break when I switch all day. Stance when I press to the damn arcade. Sticking up signs, read, never mind me. Point to the ground, stick down to the feet. Stay, please stay, bitch, you got no key. Never take a seat, bitch, you never gon' see. Stack on place to the gas for the week. Stack on place to the gas for the week. Stack on place to the gas for the week. Back to the gas for the week. Yeah, taking my life, thinking it's right. Switching and missing the point to the right. Washing the thoughts in the back of my mind. Telling that I know for a fact that they mine. Watch me, I'm slow low. I walk with your photo. Take money from the locked door. Bitch, move back what you paid for. Swing it down, no water white. Take a dip.
So we're in Charleroi, we're doing our last packs at the 2 towers. We had some shitty day, the weather wasn't great, but at least we had some overcast and it was grey and blurry, but we had some nice ripping. The drones did it well. I really like the EOS ultralight, did a good job today. And the Demi always stood strong, lost the motor, but we fixed it on the spot. Take the last pack in here and see you guys at the next Bando. Yo yo!
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
A world where anything is possible. Where we go from there is a choice I leave to you.